Welcome to our show, and we are going to make some Ooblecks. First, I need to put in some water. Now I have some food coloring dye here. I'm going to squeeze one drop in. Squeeze one drop in. Now I put in this. Can't show it. Now I'm taking some of this. I forgot its name.
Cornstarch?
I am putting in some cornstarch. I'm putting in a little bit more. And now, give me a spoon to mix it.
Okay.
On my hands.
Yes, you can use your hands.
Mix my oobleck together. Yeah, just like a liquid. Need a little more.
Cornstarch?
Yeah. I love this Ooblecks. It makes your hands all slimy. Look, I'm squeezing some on my hand. Like pancake. Oobleck. Let's see if I can make it into a ball. No, can't. I can't make it into a ball.
Oh, you did it.
What?
Yeah, you made a ball. You did it.
Baby, look. Baby, look. My hands are ooblecky. Ooblecky. Look, I'm putting some on my hand. Now I mix it up and let's mix it up and see. Nice Oobleck. Look, see, now it's even better than before. Now it looks like a perfect green. Ready? Go, Pixie. I'm making another color out. Let me see if I can make something out of this Oobleck. Mommy, let's see if when we put some pink water, I see some purple, and what happens?
I think it's gonna look like a brown.
Oh, come on, let's try.
Yeah, we'll try. You want it right now?
Yeah, what now? It's making its own Mommy,
Hmm.
you know what? We can save the Oobleck with something.
We can save?
Yeah.
With what?
In a plastic bag.
That's a good idea. Or maybe in a box.
Yes, but this can make the box flatty and melt it. This can melt the box.
I don't think so. It's gonna melt the box.
No, I don't think so either. Let's try. Wanna see some Oobleck wine? Oobleck wine! Feels so cold and so nice. Feels like a night. Yeah, that's good. Oobleck wine. Mommy, if only this wasn't a liquid. We can try not making it into a liquid by putting some different things. Let's put some different things in it.
Like what?
Like different things that are soft. Like something that's soft like a cornflower. We should use something that's soft to make it less liquidy. My nipple is going off. Goodbye, nail polish. Sink into the darkness of this Oobleck. Little kitten. Kitten. Look. Look what I have.
Treat?
No Ooblecks. We should garbage it in a plastic bag.
Why?
Because they said that if you drain it, that can block the pipes and the sink and no water will come. So that's why we cannot drain it.
So what are the superpowers of Ooblecks?
Oobleck's superpowers is that they can block the drain and the tap really hard that no one can even open it. Not even humans like us.